Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to add table in Canva. To add table in Canva, you need to first open your Canva. You can either go with your Canva application or website of Canva. I am going to continue with website. Now go to your search bar, then type in www.canva.com. Then press on enter. With this, now make sure that you are logged into your Canvas account. Now you can either continue with your previous project or you can create a design. For this, click on Create a Design option present on the left. After you do so, you need to select a design. I am going on with presentation. Now, to add table in Canva, you need to click on Elements option present on the left panel. Then click on search bar present at the top. Now type table in search bar. Now here you can see different type of styles. You can click on see all tables to view different type of styles of table. Now you need to select the one table that you like. After you do so, the table will be added on your design. Now here you can change the color of the table. For this, click on the small circle with your table color present on the top menu. After this, select the color that you want. Similarly, you can adjust the table however you like. For this, you can drag the arrow present on the corner of table. Now you can change different kind of settings of the table. For this, select the table, then click on three dots present on the top of the table. Now here you can adjust the rows and columns however you like. This is how we can add table in Canva. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.